Your toothbrush has a disgusting history. And the truth is, what people used before modern toothbrushes might actually shock you. Thousands of years ago, long before toothpaste, long before plastic brushes, people still cared about cleaning their teeth. But instead of using what you have today, they used something incredibly simple. Small sticks, known as chewing sticks. These were tiny twigs taken from specific trees, especially ones with natural antibacterial properties. People would chew one end until it became soft, fibrous, almost like a brush. Then they would use it to scrub their teeth. And here's the surprising part. This method actually worked. Even today, in parts of the Middle East, Africa, and South Asia, people still use it. It's called miswak. And in many cases, it's just as effective as a modern toothbrush. But as time went on, people started searching for something better, something more advanced, something more convenient. And that's where everything changed. Welcome to Origin Lab. Today we're exploring the dark and fascinating history of the toothbrush and how it evolved into what we use today. The first major breakthrough came in the 1400s, during the Ming Dynasty in China. This is where the first real toothbrush was created. For the first time, it actually looked similar to what we use today. But there was one major difference. The bristles. They weren't made of nylon or soft synthetic fibers. They were made from animal hair. Specifically, the stiff hair taken from the neck of pigs. These rough bristles were attached to handles, made from bamboo or bone. At first, this seemed like a huge improvement. It looked more advanced, more like a real tool. But in reality, it had serious problems. The bristles were extremely hard, too hard. They could easily damage gums, causing pain and even bleeding. And because they were made from animal hair, they weren't very hygienic. They trapped bacteria, held moisture, and were difficult to clean properly. So while it looked like progress, it wasn't perfect. Still, this design began to spread. By the 1700s and 1800s, Europe started adopting toothbrushes. But instead of pig hair, some people used horsehair, which was slightly softer. Even then, toothbrushes were far from ideal. In fact, many people didn't use them at all. Some preferred using cloth, others simply used their fingers. And for many, toothbrushes were considered a luxury item, something only the wealthy could afford. But everything changed in the 20th century. In 1938, a revolutionary breakthrough happened. A company called DuPont introduced nylon bristles. And this completely transformed everything. For the first time, toothbrushes became truly modern. Nylon was soft, flexible, and much more hygienic. It didn't trap bacteria like animal hair. And it lasted significantly longer. This innovation made toothbrushes safer, more effective, and accessible to everyone. And from that moment on, toothbrushes became a daily essential, used all over the world. But innovation didn't stop there. In the 1950s, the first electric toothbrush was introduced. Originally, it was designed for people with limited mobility or specific dental needs. But over time, it became popular with the general public. Today, we have highly advanced toothbrushes with built-in timers, pressure sensors, and even smart technology that connects to your phone. But here's something interesting. Even with all this advancement, most people still don't brush their teeth properly. Some people brush too hard, damaging their gums. Others don't brush long enough, missing important areas. And many forget to replace their toothbrush regularly. Dentists recommend changing your toothbrush every 3 months because over time, the bristles wear out and become less effective. So even though the toothbrush has evolved over thousands of years, from simple sticks to animal hair brushes to modern electric devices, the way we use it still matters the most. And the next time you pick up your toothbrush, just remember, this simple tool has gone through centuries of evolution to reach your hands today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments. what topic you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching.